Unscrambling the kitchen mystery, the egg separator. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language lesson. Are you ready to crack the code of kitchen gadgets? Today, we'll be exploring a nifty tool that's essential for many chefs and bakers, the egg separator. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by this term, stay tuned as we break it down for you. An egg separator is a kitchen device that's used to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. It's particularly useful when a recipe calls for only one part of the egg. This tool ensures that you can easily and cleanly separate the two components without any mess. Why not just use the shell or your hands? Well, an egg separator makes the job quicker, cleaner, and more efficient. It reduces the risk of breaking the yolk and keeps eggshells from falling into your food. Plus, it's a great help for those who are a bit squeamish about touching raw egg. Using an egg separator is a piece of cake. You simply crack an egg into the separator, which holds the yolk while the white drips through into a bowl below. It's a simple yet ingenious invention that prevents any yolk from getting into your egg whites, which is crucial for recipes like meringues. Egg separators come in various shapes and sizes. Some are simple plastic cups with slits, while others are more elaborate, with designs that include a small bowl to catch the yolk. There's even a type that attaches directly to the bowl, so you can separate multiple eggs quickly. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of what an egg separator is and how it's used in the kitchen. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll feel confident using this tool in your cooking adventures. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.